Howdy. In this video, I would like to explain how to use this Skype software properly. See, what you have to do is you extract this one, okay? Extract these two files. Extract to First do that. Open this Skype spammer first because it's very easy. Okay, just plug and play software. Make sure you're using Windows 7 because Windows 8 and 10 sometimes it may have some issues. Okay, it works very fine on Windows 7. So what you have to do is type your marketing message here. Okay, type your marketing message here and your website link, phone number, contact details, whatever. Okay, marketing message here and your website link. Okay, this is only used to send bulk messages to your contacts. See, consider this button as add contacts and this is a send button. Now click this add contacts button. Okay, once you do that, you should allow this Skype API to access it. You get something like this. Skype spammer wants to use Skype. Click allow access, any access. Click allow access. Okay, otherwise it won't send the message. Once you click allow access, all the contacts in your Skype list, in your contact list will be added here. See, like this. Once you click this send button, all this, the marketing message will be delivered to these guys. Okay, you can't stop it once you click that button. Okay, that's all for now. Very easy. You can try this. Let me close this. Let me open another software. Okay, Skyper. Okay, sometimes what happens, some antivirus or firewall may disrupt with it. Make sure you temporarily disable when you run this software. In some cases, I'm not sure about it. Okay, this is very user friendly software. Okay, first what you have to do is go to search button. How to build a contact in your list. Have you seen this guy? Some people have contacts like 1000 people, 2000 people, 5000, 10,000, 50,000 contacts in countries like USA, Brazil and Western Europe. See, how do they make it? They use something called this kind of software. Okay, see, for example, I am a car dealer and I want to make business. Okay, I need to get deals. Okay, I know in that particular country most of the people are active on Skype, particularly North America, Brazil and Western Europe. So for the car list, let me know passionate people or interested in cars. For example, BMW, Audi, or Land Rover. Okay, just an example. The sky is the limit. You can use it for any niche. Okay, provided there is a what to say strength for that particular keyword. Okay, make sure you target your keyword. It's all about the keyword. It's filtering about the keyword. BMW, Audi, yeah, Yabusa, something like that. Whatever. Okay. Hummer, yes, Hummer, whatever. Hummer is also a car. Okay, now click find Skype users. Okay, before that even you can filter by gender, okay, age, country, and you can click the search button. Okay, it's up to you. But I need a laser targeted list. Click find Skype users. It's asking you to click the launch and attach client functionality. Okay, the API is asking you to access it. So go to the general tab. First click this launch client and then click this attach client. Once you click this attach client, Skype API will ask you to allow the access. Click allow access, otherwise it won't work. Okay, minimize the screen. Now go to search tab. Now click find Skype users. See, it is using lot of hours of job. It is doing within seconds. Within seconds. See, now you got a laser targeted list. See, BMW. See the Skype ID, BMW, Audi. See, these are highly targeted people who are interested in car niche. So you can promote your products, services, broadcast your offers, anything to these guys. Okay, the sky is the limit. See their name, their Skype ID, their country, the city they are from. Okay, see how simple it is. See, basically, which people use this? All the business guys use this. Okay, because right now email marketing is very costly. You need to pay for SMTP server, autoresponder. Some companies you have to pay for $1, $2, or up to $5 for per subscriber just to get your emails get delivered. Okay, so this is alternative. Without paying a penny, you can send your marketing message. It's the holy grail right now, provided you know how to use it. Now click save to test file. Let me put the file as cards1. Okay, click save. Save it in the notepad. Let me show you in my desktop where it is. Yeah, save it here. See, this is a Skype ID of my list. Okay, just got it now. Now what I want to do is we need to send invitation message to this list. Okay. See, one more thing you can do. You can right click this. You can delete everything. Okay, like this. When you can right click this, you can delete selected one or delete all. Okay, anything is possible. Go to general tab. Okay, I'm telling you the future. You can individually add as contact like this. Okay. Individually add a contact. You can add like this. Now what you have to do is browse. Where is that file? Yeah, this one. Yeah, this is the file which I got right now. Click open and now click import. See, this file came here. So type your invitation message. Okay, in Skype when you add new people to the list, there is a custom message you send as an invitation. Okay, otherwise you can randomly put. You can put like, see, I saw your ad on this particular website. Okay, I see a potential for joint venture or partnership, something like that. Are you willing to align with us? Are you willing to work with us? Something like that. Okay, or simple custom message. Okay, I just want to add you as a contact. Otherwise, you can use this as an email also. Okay, what similar like 10 sentence words. Okay, it's a 10 sentence. An email in 10 sentence with your product or offers. You can type it in invitation message. Okay, and send it. Okay. Once you click start, you can't stop it. Okay, depending upon the numbers in your contact list, it may take certain minutes to broadcast it. Just click the start button, and sometimes the Skype API will ask you your permission. Click allow access. That's all. Okay, so if they like you, they'll accept your request. Some people they are very skeptical about the contact. Sometimes they won't accept you. Okay, that's quite natural. Okay, nothing can be done much about it. So make sure your Skype profile picture is good. Your industry, your profession, everything you have described very clearly in your Skype profile. Okay, if a profile is attractive, definitely they want to make friendship with you. Okay, definitely they want to follow you. This is the latest trend right now, and the secret one, and very secretive. Okay, nobody likes to expose this because this is the one which is working right now. Okay, once everything is set, don't need to pay a penny for advertising. So what's the name of the file? Yeah, now we are sending a name to that list. Okay, click this open button, click import. You're broadcasting the message to that list. That is invitation. This is the real message. Okay, this is my marketing message. Whatever, you can type your marketing message. For demo purpose, I'm typing here. Okay, your website link, phone number, contact details, whatever, you can type it here. Okay, and just click the send button. Once you click the send button, the Skype API will ask your permission. Click allow access. That's all. And it will stop by itself. See, when the software is running, don't use any other program. Because it may interact with the system. Don't open the browser, nothing. Allow the script or the software to run by itself. Okay, it takes some time. Thanks for watching. Okay, I think you can also send the audio messages. Okay, you can record the audio messages and also send your voice message. Okay, I'm not sure about it. You can try it. Even you can do a auto response also, like incoming message. If the incoming message contains certain words, your response will be like certain words, like hi, welcome back, what do you need? Okay, I'll be back in 30 minutes, something like that. Sky is the rule. You can define your rules also. Okay, it's similar to autoresponder. Okay, it replies. It's similar to auto response. Okay, you can test it. Okay, these three are the important features. This is what lot of public want. This is what there is a hungry market for this particular software. Okay, thanks for watching. That's all for now. Hope that helps.